How to fix error codes 3/4/7/10/11/12 when updating Chrome in Windows. First off, Google Chrome has dropped support for Windows XP, Vista, and Mac OS X 10.6 to 10.8. Below are some tips that may help fix error codes 3/4/7/10/11/12 when updating Chrome in Windows. 1. Reboot your computer. 2. Review antivirus, firewall, or parental control settings in your Windows. Notes: 1. Make sure Chrome-related updates aren't blocked from going online. 2. Make sure tools.google.com and dl.google.com aren't blocked. Workaround: your Chrome in Windows Safe Mode with networking. Run Network Troubleshooter at Google 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. 3. Remove any active proxy from IE. If that does not work, try the recommended NordVPN in this video guide to unblock censorship. 4. DNS, command, IP protocol configuration /flushtns, reset winsock, command, netshare winsock reset, and reset TCP/IP, command, netshare int IP reset pip.txt. Reboot your router/modem. 5. Run Chrome Cleanup Tool, the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide to clean potential malware in your system. 6. Exit current Chrome. Rename the default folder at %localapp.a %/google/chrome/user data /uninstall Chrome. Reboot your system when the uninstallation is done. Download Chrome again and try reinstalling as admin, or download the Chrome standalone installer at http://bit.ly/2rpzwsh.